What are we doing today? No, what are we doing today? What are we doing? Give me a second.
We're doing fireworks, and we're gonna film fireworks.
Yep. Wait, say that again. I accidentally cut.
Day fireworks.
Yep. And I know it's not 4th of July. It's July 3rd. But in the next video, it's going to be big.
Oh.
But yeah, we're gonna do some day fireworks. Scarlett, you guys, we're about to do one. Scarlett, we're doing fireworks. Scarlett,
Oh,
we're doing fireworks. Come on. Come on.
that thing was about to hit your face.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna get it out.
We
Hey,
don't need
Mom.
to videotape fireworks. Let's just go have fun. Let's just go have fun. They're daytime fireworks anyway, so they're not going to be.
Are you posting videos? You think your friend is watching them?
Probably.
I know Antoine's mom is.
I love that he got in trouble from that. That's hilarious.
From that bad news video.
From
Yeah.
that's Scarlett.
Scarlett. Scarlett, did you fart?
No.
It sounded like someone farted. It could have been Daddy.
It was
Hey.
clearly someone going out that door.
Okay, so we got fireworks.
What the? What the?
This is a smoke. These are smoke bombs, guys.
Yep.
Weird.
Let's show them the first one. First one's called Mummy Smoke. Yeah, we got a lot. How much was this? Like 20 bucks?
$20.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Say hello to Maynard. If you can see him, it's so bright I can't even see anything.
Hold on, let me see.
Yeah, you can't really see him.
I know.
Oh, you can see. Scarlett, stop. That's the.
We don't have to record.
Right.
On a sunny day.
All right. Let's not record. Bye. Let's just have
Bye.
fun.
Yeah.
Let's just have fun. We don't need to record our whole life.
Whatever.